ఇండియా చైనా బార్డర్లో ప్రెజెంట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఎలా ఉంది? ఈ పరిస్థితులు రావడానికి గల కారణాలు ఏమి? మనకు చైనాకి మొదటి బార్డర్ సమస్యలు ఎప్పుడు ప్రారంభమయ్యాయో ఈ వీడియోలో తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు చూస్తున్నారు మనం నాలెడ్జ్ హబ్ ఛానల్ షేర్ ద నాలెడ్జ్. మేము పెట్టబోయే సైన్స్, టెక్నాలజీ, చరిత్రలోని నిజాలకు సంబంధించిన వీడియోలు మరియు కంప్యూటర్ అండ్ మొబైల్ లెర్నింగ్ వీడియోస్ మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ రావాలంటే కింద కనిపిస్తున్న రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోవడం ద్వారా మీరు మా వీడియోస్ ఫస్ట్ చూడవచ్చు. సో ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. ఏమాత్రం లేట్ చేయకుండా టాపిక్లోకి ఇక వెళ్ళిపోదాం. ఇండియా అండ్ చైనా ఆర్ ద మోస్ట్ టూ పాపులేటెడ్ కంట్రీస్ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్. High Himalayas in Ladakh are the disputed border between India and China. Nowadays, demarcation of border is still a major dispute. On June 15th, the tensions along the border turned violent for the first half and a century. India and China border clash has been held in Galwan Valley. China claimed 140,000 square kilometers of Indian territory. Till now, the China has not revealed any information about this. For better understanding, we should go back to 50 years. 50 years ago, on October 20, 1962, China and India went to war over the undisputed border that ended with an uneasy truce. At North Indian border, Aksai Chin Plateau is the main undisputed area which belongs to India but occupied by China after the war. India says that the Aksai Chin belongs to Kashmir region, but China said that it was a part of Xinjiang. The war on October 20, 1962 has ended for a month. In this war, 1400 Indian troops were killed and 700 Chinese troops were killed. After this war, China came control over Aksai Chin. Even though the war has completed, but the area remained as a part of contamination. There has been no physical interaction of this war, so the war has been ended for a month. For the date until the war has ended is from 20 October 1962 to 21 November 1962, and 1 day and 1 month. The location where this clash has been held is Aksai Chin and Northeast Frontier Agency, Assam. Now, we should know the reasons why this clash has occurred. Sumit Ganguly, the professor of political science, said that the main reason behind after these so many years why does the tension flare up is that the Indians' decision on last August to revoke a special status on Jammu and Kashmir over Aksai Chin. According to India, the Chinese side has crossed the line of actual control in Galwan Valley to erect their structure or border. There are proofs for this crossing of line of actual control through satellite pictures. According to China, Zhao Lijian, foreign ministry, said that Indian troops seriously violated the consensus and crossed their line of actual control for illegal activities. And he said that Indians provoked and attacked Chinese, which led to fierce physical confrontation. One of the soldiers said that these Chinese soldiers hit their Indian soldiers with metal batons wrapped in barbed wire, with the Indian soldier fought with his bare hands. And we also have the proofs for this. One of the boy had sent an image that the metals they are used by Chinese. The main reason for this clash is a team led by Colonel Santosh Babu of 16th Bihar Regiment set out to hold a discussion with Chinese side on June 15th, as Chinese PLA troops were not returning back to their territory as per their commitment. During the discussion, the Chinese PLA deliberately aggravated the situation. They eventually attacked the Indian delegation with sticks, stones and clubs wrapped in barbed wire. The main reason behind the hand-to-hand clash without using any weapons is due to the agreement made on 1996 of not to carry any guns or explosives in that area. China has not revealed any information about the death of their soldiers, but India says 76 of its soldiers were injured. After the clash, China said that they are moving 20 martial art trainers to the Tibetan plateau to train its forces. After the clash, last week, troops of the two countries pulled back from 3 friction points, patrolling point 14, 15 and 17A with soldiers, creating a buffer zone of 3 to 4 kilometers depth. This was done to ensure that from now onwards there will be less chances to not to engage with each other. The clashes were slightly started on May 5. Then on July 5th, immediately the disengagement of soldiers back from their respective positions have agreed, but on again July 15th we all know what happened. So this time India decided to go through proper disengagement process has to be undertaken perfectly. Now this time the disengagement process has been done properly by the involvement of higher level of government, and then finally talks between National Security Advisor had done. We should all tell to the Indian government about this engagement is we should trust but verify. Okay, then this is the end of the topic. Now the main reasons for the India losing the war in 1962 will be discussed in our next video. Thank you for watching our video.